Hi everybody, welcome to English class. Today we will start a new writing skill from your syllabus, that is message writing. Message, the word is quite familiar to you. You know how to send message in WhatsApp, but that kind of message is not here. Today I am going to explain. This message is quite important for you. Suppose you are receiving any other information from anybody, okay? It may be there physically, it may be there from telephonic message, okay? It is you to receive that information and it is you to give the same information to some other person to whom actually it is needed, okay? To whom it will be sent. So this message writing is very important for you. For that, please open your class of copy and write down the format first. So for the writing of message, you need to draw first the box. Just a minute. Okay, as you can see here, I have drawn a box. Here in that box you can see you will use the pencil and scale, not in hand. So top, right, left side and right side you will draw, and last one you will not draw. So a box will be needed first for writing a message, and then next part will be message the word. Message the word will be inside the box, and it will be, after writing it will be underlined. See here, the message the word is written in the middle of the box, inside but in the middle, okay, mind it, and then you should underline that word message. And next point, what is it? You know, on the left side you will write the date of writing that message. What is the date? Okay, date, the word you will not write. What is the date? Suppose today's date April 21, 2021. So in that format you will write. Okay, in that format you will write the date. Date, the word you will not write. After giving all in that, you will write what you know. What? Actually write the time. Suppose now the time I am getting, suppose 11 am. In that way you will write the time. Okay, time, on which time you are sending that message to someone. The time you will mention after one line gap. Then you will write the name to whom you are sending that message. And you will write like dear, here the name will be there. Okay? Then put comma. Name means here it may be there your father you are sending, so dear father, dear papa, dear mummy. Okay, dear brother, dear sister, or suppose any other friend you are sending, so dear I am dear Madhu, like that. Name you will write the first name only. Okay. Then in that part there will be the content of the message. Now in the content part, you know, in the content part I am writing here the content. In the content part, some of the things you should keep it in mind. What is it? You know, first one, there will be the details. The details of the caller. Okay, first one will be the details of the caller. That means, suppose you are getting one information in telephone, and who are giving that information you should know. So that details of the caller you will write here. Who is that person who had given you that message? Next, number 2, here you will write the information of message. You know, information and message, here what should be to be conveyed. So that is another point. That means whatever information you have got, you have received from the caller. Okay, that one you will write the information or message in detail, but bind it in short, not so much, not so many words you cannot use. Oh, okay, that is a last point. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5 point here. The name of the writer or signature. Signature, or you may write name of the writer. Mind it, here the name of the writer means message writer. Okay, the message writer. Now you will write the first name only. You will write the first name here. Only the first name you will write, because it may be that your family members, they know by your name. So first name is only sufficient. No other surname will not be needed. It may be their nickname, you may write, no problem. Okay, so now after writing that writer, you will end the box. Now your message writing is completed. So you can I am here revising first one date, then time, then dear name to whom you are sending. Okay, so all these in this way you will write. Okay, no other day and date and time, that word you will not write. What there you will write, and in this way total message writing has been completed. The format I have given here, please write in your copy. And now I will explain. I will give one example. I will give one example to clear it more perfectly. Just wait for it. Now, dear students, you have seen that one question I have written, one example. Okay, in that type of example you will get in your question paper also. So here, suppose you are Ronnie or Rini. Ronnie if you are male, Rini if you are female. Now you have received a phone call from your father's office. Now your father has gone to market and you have to leave for tuitions also. That means you are leaving from the room to attend tuition. So now write a message for your father. So being Ronnie and Rini, you will write a message. Now what is the conversation? Now suppose Pranav has called him. Hello, can I talk Rohit? Can I talk to Rohit? Rohit is the father of you. Okay, now you. Sorry, he is not at home. Now Pranav again telling. So please inform him that the meeting with the boss has been postponed and it will be on tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Now you are saying, okay uncle, I will give, thank you. So in that way, in that type of conversation you have got, you have witnessed with the uncle Pranav. Now you are writing a message to your father on behalf of Ronnie or Rini. Okay, so what will be the message? I mean the answer. Let's do it. So now, dear students, we will know how to write message to that question. So now, as you know, first what you will write? First you will write the message, the word in the middle, and it will be underlined. And next what? Next you will write the date. Suppose today's date you are writing, again writing your April 21, 2021. In that way you will write the date. Then after leaving one line, you will write what the time. Suppose time you have got 12. Or suppose I am writing another 11:30. It will be better. AM. You have received phone call and you are leaving from that time after writing message. Then after one line gap you will write what you know, salutation. To whom you are writing? Your father. So dear father. Or you may write down dear papa. Okay, no name, you cannot write Rohit. Dear father. Okay, what the relation name, that one you will write. Suppose, and now you are writing the content. What? In your absence, your colleague Mr. Pranav has called you, has called me, has called me. He has told inform you that at the meeting with your boss has been postponed, and it will be conducted on tomorrow morning at 9:30 am. Now you can see here, first in the content part, in the very first part, in your absence, your colleague Mr. Pranav has called me. So I have given the what? Maximum details of information regarding the caller. Who is the caller? Mr. Pranav, you know, the colleague of your father. So I have mentioned that one also. Next I am giving what information he has told to give you. What is it? That you know, he has told to inform you that the meeting of you with your boss has been postponed and it will be conducted on tomorrow morning at 9:30 am. I have given no more. Only that is the gist, and that one you will write. At last you will write your name. Okay, or signature. You are Ronnie or Rini. I am a male. That's why I am writing what? Ronnie. Okay, I am not writing my name Ajit. I am not writing. You should mind it that your name will be mentioned in the question paper. If it is not mentioned, then you may write down your own name. And at last, you will put the box. You can see it is within a box. So previously I had drawn it. If it is not drawn, you will draw with scale and pencil. Okay, that is all about message writing. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you. Have a good day.